Good morning, students. We are continuing our chapter. In previous video we will study about chemical properties of organic compound. Now we are going to study some important organic compounds in which ethanol and ethanoic acid. Okay. Now in this video we will study the properties of ethanol and ethanoic acid and their reactions and how they will react and what give us, and the process of esterification also we will study in this video. So we will start our topics. First, ethanol and ethanoic acid. So first we will study about the properties of ethanol. What was the properties of ethanol? It is liquid at room temperature. When we put ethanol at room temperature, then it is a state, in which state of matter it will be? In a liquid form. It is also called alcohol, means ethanol is also called an alcohol. You will see their name, ethanol, nol, OL means alcohol. So it will in which functional group it belongs to? Alcohol group. Okay, and is the active ingredient of all alcoholic drinks, means any drink that was alcoholic drink, then the presence of alcohol is as the active ingredient, means alcohol is present in every alcoholic drink. It is used in medicines also, means in medicines as a solvent, means we are taking as a solvent of alcohol, then we will add any medicine, means mostly in medicines alcohol is used, like tincture iodine, means in which we will taken as a solvent of alcohol, solvent as an alcohol, and in which we will pouring iodine in alcohol. So it is called an tincture iodine. Cough syrup. When we are drinking a cough syrup, when the cough will be will have to us, so we will drink a cough syrup. Then after our body, when fever will be happen, our whole body will be lazy, means laziness we are feeling, sleeping and not any work want to do. So this was happening. We are when we are eating medicine, when we are drinking cough syrups, the laziness we are feeling because of alcohol. Now reaction. Now when ethanol will be react with sodium, then what happen? See here it was a sodium react with ethanol. Okay, then it give us sodium ethoxide. What is sodium ethoxide? In which CH3CH2. So when ethanol react with sodium, then it will take out oxygen and give us sodium ethoxide, means from here hydrogen is removed and sodium will be added, means combined with CH3CH2. Oh, see here, CH3CH2. Hydrogen will be removed and sodium will be combined. Why? Because when it was in an ion form, CH3CH2O is a negative ion and H is a positive ion, and we all know sodium will be positive ion. So when it will react, then when positive ion will be replaced by a positive ion only, so it will combine Na with CH3CH2O minus, and when they are in a compound form, then their ion, means then their charge is not be mentioned. Okay, when it was separately, then it is a negative and positive ion, but in a compound form we doesn't have to take a symbol of ions. Okay, so what we learn, when positive ion will be replaced only with positive ion. Understand? And from this method we will obtain sodium ethoxide. in which this is called as sodium ethoxide and hydrogen gas is released. Okay, so this is the reaction of ethanol with sodium. And another example, another reaction of ethanol to give how we will obtain unsaturated hydrocarbons when react with ethanol. So when ethanol is heated with a hot concentrated H2SO4, okay, H2SO4 is sulfuric acid. So when hot concentrated sulfuric acid will be as a catalyst we will take to react ethanol, then it give us CH2 plus H2O. It is a dehydrating agent. Why? Because it will remove water from ethanol. That's why it is hot concentrating H2SO4 is called as a dehydrating agent. Okay, understand? Not H2SO4. Hot concentrated H2SO4 is called a dehydrating agent. Okay. Now see here what happened here. When hot concentrated H2SO4 react with ethanol, then it will separate, means it will remove water from the ethanol. Okay. So from that OH will be removed, for water two hydrogen will be one. So from this one hydrogen will be take out. So what was remaining? CH3CH. Okay. So when we are representing in a structure, so we will arrange like that then we will not take out a hydrogen from here. So it will be CH2 and CH2. So you all have to must be remembering that when CH2 is combining, then it compulsory here it will be combined with a double bond to complete their octet. So what was the structure? CH2 plus H2O. Okay, understand? The concentrated H2SO4 is regarded as dehydrating agent which removes water from ethanol. That's why it is called a dehydrating. What is hydring? Hydration and dehydration we have studied now in our lower classes. When our body have less water than we are saying now we are dehydrating. And when so for hydrating we have to drink more and more water. That's same. When water will be removed from ethanol, it is called a dehydrating agent. Okay. Now reaction of ethanoic acid. Now we will study the reaction of ethanoic acid. It is also called an acetic acid. We are studying so many times. Acetic acid is present in vinegar. It will be used to preservation of pickles. So it is the another name of acetic acid is ethanoic acid. So for preservation of pickle for a long time we are using ethanoic acid. It is also known as acetic acid. Now the melting point of ethanoic acid is 290 Kelvin. That's why when in winter season mostly the ethanoic acid will be freezed, and in the closed places it will be freezed. Why? Because it have low melting point 290 Kelvin. That's why. Reaction esterification. So from the name it was clear that to obtain ester means the reaction in which we obtain ester, it is called esterification. Okay. Now here ethanoic acid will react with ethanol, then we will obtain ester. Means when acid react with alcohol, it gives us we obtain ester. So here ethanoic acid and ethanol react in the presence medium of acid. Okay, it will must necessary. If we want to obtain ester, so when we react with acid with alcohol in the presence of acid, then we will get ester. Okay. Now see here, it also separate water. Means when ethanoic acid and ethanol will react in the medium of acid, it separate water and it give us ester and water as a product. So from here OH, okay, and from here H will be removed to obtain the water. So what was remaining here? CH3CO. What was remaining here? CH3CH2O. So this was remaining. So we have to combine, we have to make a structure carefully. Now what we will do, we will take a carbon, okay. Now see here, CH3CO, CH3CO, okay. Now here CH3CH2O, CH3CH2O, okay. So this way we get an ester. So it is called a formation of ester, okay. So how we get ester? When ethanoic acid and ethanol will react in the presence of acid, then we get an ester and water, okay. We have to represent symbolically like that to ester. R is any alkyl group, COO means it was a group of ester, and R dash. So we have to represent like that. You will study in higher classes how we will represent like this. Now another example means it was a symbol of reversing also, means we will make ester, and when we react with ester to any substance, then we will also get same acids also. Now CH3COO C2 H5, okay. So when it will be reacted in the presence of NaOH, okay, sodium hydroxide, it gives us C2H5OH, okay. Now what happened here? See, here Na is a positive ion and OH is a negative ion, and we all know CH3COO, what is that? That is negative ion. So negative always combine positive ion, so Na will be combined with CH3COO Na, and C2H5 is a positive ion, so it will combine with OH. Why? Because positive always attract combine with a negative ion, so C2H5OH, okay. So it is a ethanoic acid, okay. Now another example, when CH3COOH will react with sodium, then what happen? We all know it is a negative ion and it is a positive ion, and sodium is a positive ion, so negative combine with positive, okay. And when acid will be when sodium will react with ethanoic acid, then it give us water, okay. Now means alcohol react with any acid, then it give us water. CH3COOH when react with Na2CO3 means any sodium carbonate, bicarbonate, anything, it what happens here? It was negative ion, it was positive ion, okay. Now here it is positive and it, okay. So negative combined with positive, it gives us CH3COO Na, okay. It is called a sodium ethanoic, and H2O and CO2 will be separated. So these three products we will get when react with these two reactants. So like that we will react ethanoic acid with different compound. So in which it very important topic, it is esterification, is mostly asked in board examination also. What is esterification? So by this chemical formula, by this chemical representation, we will also obtain a definition. When ethanoic acid is react with ethanol in the presence of acid, we will obtain ester and water by as product. This is called a esterification. So this is also a definition of esterification. It is mostly asked in examination and in board also. So you have to learn this reaction carefully, and you have to must learn this. Mostly it was asked in a board examination. So today in this video we will study about ethanol and ethanoic acid. Thank you.